Hello programmer, welcome back to today's tutorial. Today we are diving deep into the world of statistics to explore one of the key measures of dispersion. So the dispersion is the standard deviations. So understanding the standard deviation is crucial for assigning the spread of data points. So join me as we demystify the concept and implement in each data for Python. So let's get started. So the topic is the need for standard deviation. So your question for is the why do we need for standard deviations? Okay, I'm just explaining. So well, it help us understand how spread out or clustered our data points are. So the larger the standard deviation, the more spread out the data is. Okay. So the standard deviation is two types is created for is the low standard deviation for the data point are close to the mean, and the high standard deviations means the data points are spread out. Okay. So now I'm create for is the standard deviations in Python. So the calculating for is the standard deviations involves a few steps, but we are not, and Python makes it easy for us. Okay, so let's create it. So first of all, I am create is for import for math. It's math, and now I am create for is the data is equal for, then it's 12, then create is 18, 14, 20 and 16. Okay, it's the data. Next step I am create for is the mean value for is equal the sum. Then create for is the data for is the divide for, then create is length is data. Next time create for the variance. Okay, its variance is equal for the sum, and create for x minus then mean value. Okay, so now I'm create for is the double into for 2 is for x in data. Okay, so now I'm again for is the for slash is length for data. Okay, now I am create for is the standard deviation, short form is the STD, and then underscore for the deviation. Okay, its create for deviation is equal for, then math dot is sqrt function call is the variance. Okay, so now I'm create for is the print function, then if, and then create for double quotation, create for the standard standard deviation. Okay, and then create for clone, and the index for the std is deviation. Okay, so its code are completed. So here we calculate the standard deviations by finding the variance and taking the square root. The variance measures how far each data point is from the mean, and standard deviations gives us a more interpretable matrix. Okay, so now save this code and let me run this code. Okay, so as we can see, the result is printed. For the result is the standard deviation for 2.828 for is the something its value. Okay, so in this tutorial you are created the first program and save for congratulations. So you are the master the art of calculating and interpreting standard deviations in Python. So either you are analyzing stock price or in this scientific data, and standard deviation is your key to understanding data spread. Okay, so keep exploring and happy coding. So thank you for joining me in this exploration of standard deviation in Python. So thank you for watching and happy coding.